Welcome to the Aegis Building Supplies Client and Project Submission tutorial. Here you'll learn how to input, submit, and provide all the necessary information regarding your company details and employee company contacts, followed by your construction project details and product requirements. Submitting this information creates effective correspondence, helping you gain greater confidence when finalizing product selection with Aegis. Now, let's get started. To locate the Aegis intake forms, simply click on the plus icon as highlighted in the screenshot. This will open the drop-down menu, providing more selection options. Under the Intake Form section, you will have the option to fill out a client intake form, providing information regarding your company and company employees. The Work Intake Form allows you to request takeoffs along with a quote for products in specific divisions. And submitting an Opportunity Intake Form provides Aegis with a greater insight regarding project-specific details. The first step we'll start with is correctly submitting the client intake form. This is the first section of the client intake form, where you provide your company information. Please fill in all required fields outlined in red. These are the basic information fields required for the form submission. Green outlined fields are optional field for internal notes if you'd like to add any additional details about your organization. Once complete, scroll down and fill out the last section before submitting. Located at the bottom half of the client intake form, similar to the first section, you are required to fill in the sections which are highlighted in red, as the information in this section pertains to the contact information for employees and personnel at different departments throughout your company, if there are tasks related or decisions calls which need finalizing. Aegis will contact the right department, such as accounting for sales orders and invoicing, or project managers, regarding a project's construction schedule, and perhaps decisions revolving around product finish selections. Next, we'll move on to the Opportunity Form, where you will be submitting details about your construction project. The first section of the Opportunity Intake Form, highlighted in green, allows you to submit full details regarding one of your projects. Information such as the project's name, current construction stage, as well as pre-sale status are some of the key information points Aegis would like to know. This will provide Aegis with enough information in order to review and understand your project's needs. The following section below requires you to select your company in order for us to tie your project in relation to your Aegis company account. The green highlighted button will create a pop-up window with a list of companies to select from. You can choose to type in your company's name or scroll down and select your company from the provided list within the Aegis database. After finding and selecting your company, click on the Select or Create Contact button, as shown in the highlighted box in the screenshot. This will prompt a pop-up box where you can find team members and employees you've submitted information on during the client intake form submission. This allows you to designate specific employees who directly perform work and make decisions for the specific project being submitted. This further provides our Aegis representatives the information regarding who is to be directly contacted based on specific matters for your company. If you are unable to find your company listing, this is due to not having submitted a client intake form. Click the Create New button as highlighted in the screenshot during the company pop-up, when asked to select your company. The second pop-up in this screenshot is where you can create at least one contact for your company. Keep in mind, one of our customer service representatives will provide a discovery call directly to the new contact provided. You will be able to discuss your submitted project with our Aegis representative, as they will further request additional information regarding your organization and contact details. The final intake form we'll cover is the work order form. Fill this out to request a takeoff and quote. Under the project field, you will be able to find your company's project if your prior submission of the project intake form was successful. And at the bottom, select the division as well as product line. As shown in the example on screen, Division 22 for plumbing, along with the product line for kitchen faucets have been selected. Click the Add Product button, review, and submit to complete. Now that you are well versed in how to convey and submit information regarding your company, project, and product quote requests, you are now ready to get started with Aegis. Point. My name is Gala. and we really look forward to working alongside with you and your projects. Take care.